Welcome to Daily English Voices. In this lesson, you will practice simple English questions and answers about daily routines at home. Look at the pictures, repeat the sentences, and connect the words with the images. This way, you will learn faster and remember better. Let's start.
Good morning. Do you want coffee?
Yes, I want coffee.
Do you want bread or eggs?
I want eggs.
Do you need a cup?
Yes, I need a cup.
Where's the milk?
The milk is in the fridge.
Is the tea hot?
Yes, the tea is hot.
Do you want to take a shower?
Yes, I want a shower.
Do you need a clean towel?
Yes, I need a clean towel.
Where are your clothes?
My clothes are in the closet.
Do you need your shoes?
Yes, I need my shoes.
Is the mirror clean?
Yes, the mirror is clean.
Do you want to clean the room?
Yes, I want to clean the room.
Where is the broom?
The broom is in the kitchen.
Do you see the window?
Yes, the window is open.
Is the door locked?
Yes, the door is locked.
Do you need the keys?
Yes, I need the keys.
Do you want rice or pasta?
I want pasta, please.
Do you want salad?
Yes, I want salad.
Where is the spoon?
The spoon is on the table.
Is the soup hot?
Yes, the soup is hot.
Do you want water?
Yes, I want water.
Do you want to read a book?
Yes, I want a book.
Where is the pen?
The pen is on the desk.
Do you want to use the computer?
Yes, I want the computer.
Is the phone on the table?
Yes, the phone is on the table.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you want to watch TV?
Yes, I want to watch TV.
Is the movie good?
Yes, the movie is good.
Do you want to eat pizza?
Yes, I want pizza.
Do you have ice cream?
Yes, I have ice cream.
Is the chair comfortable?
Yes, the chair is comfortable.
Do you want to wash the dishes?
Yes, I want to wash the dishes.
Where is the soap?
The soap is by the sink.
Do you need more water?
Yes, I need more water.
Do you want to brush your teeth?
Yes, I want to brush my teeth.
Where is the bed?
The bed is in the room.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Do you want a pillow?
Yes, I want a pillow.
Do you want a blanket?
Yes, I want a blanket.
Is the light off?
Yes, the light is off.
Good night.